Hey guys, are you wanting to buy Best Outdoor Griddles 2023? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best outdoor griddles are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in the description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at number 5. Victory 36-inch 4-burner gas griddle. The Victory brand is exclusive to bbcars.com and has had a big launch year of products. The brand looks to shake up the market, offering full-featured cooking equipment at affordable prices, and the Victory 4-burner gas griddle is as advertised. Slotting into the #2 spot in our rankings, the Victory 36-inch 4-burner gas griddle is a true contender in the griddle market. Boasting 48,000 BTUs to heat the 665 square inches of cooking surface, you can fit 28 burgers at once to feed your crew. The Victory griddle offers above-average prep and storage space with 2 foldable side shelves, 2 middle shelves, and 2 shelves on the right end cap. The porcelain-coated cooktop and the fully enclosed grease management system make this griddle stand apart from the crowd. You won't need to season the cooktop as you would carbon steel, and the grease is fully contained, so you won't have to deal with fat running down the side or leg of your griddle. Stainless steel construction and a removable grease tray make cleanup the easiest out of all griddles tested. At number 4. Blackstone 36-inch Outdoor Flat-Top Gas Grill Griddle Station. For gas griddles, Blackstone is the industry leader. They have been selling griddles since 2005 and have benefited from the enormous return of outdoor cooking. The USA is the country of design and engineering for every Blackstone product. You may prepare a variety of delectable delicacies for big groups of people using the Blackstone 36 gas griddle station's 4 independent stainless steel burners, each with temperature settings that range from low to high. You have 720 square inches of cooking surface at your disposal, and a sizable grease drain has been included to make cleanup easier. You'll extend the griddle's lifespan and have a lot more fun using it if you maintain it clean and well seasoned. There are just a few minor criticisms you can make of a griddle that is otherwise great. The Blackstone is the market leader for a reason. At number 3. Grilla Grills Primate. A lot of the grill and griddle combos we've tested use a split design where you get a small grill and a small griddle. While this is good in theory, I find that when I want a griddle, I'm always running out of space. That's why I love the design of the Grilla Grills Primate. The Primate looks and cooks like a regular gas grill, but can be converted by swapping out the stainless steel grates for the griddle surface. The exterior of the grill is made from stainless steel and looks and feels premium. Easily convert from traditional grill to full-size griddle. If you can stretch your budget, I highly recommend going for the Grilla Primate compared to a more budget 50-50 split design like the Royal Gourmet, which you often see recommended. At number 2. Blackstone Tabletop Grill 17 Portable Gas Griddle. This portable griddle has 260 square inches of cooking area. The Blackstone Tabletop Grill is perfect for small families or traveling groups who just need to prepare meals for a few people. In our list of the top tabletop grills, we endorsed it. Starting the griddle requires very little effort because it uses an electric igniter and 1-pound propane bottles as fuel. It is made of stainless steel, and for simple cleaning and storage, the griddle cooking surface can be removed. A single knob in the middle of the control panel is used to operate the solitary burner. Since the top can be taken off and the cooking surface is protected by flipping the container upside down, it is exceedingly simple to store. It may be easily transported to and from various cooking sites because it is only 17 inches wide. At number 1. Traeger Flatrock Griddle. Traeger finally made a move into the gas griddle market after concentrating on wood pellet-fired grills for many years. The Flatrock is pricey, much like everything else made by Traeger. We initially believed the price to be a complete ripoff when we first saw it. However, after using the griddle and getting a sense of some of the creative design decisions and high-quality construction, we can say that the price is generally justified. The Flatrock's main chamber is recessed beneath the griddle top, preventing blowouts when cooking in windy weather. The cooktop is composed of carbon steel and is more than big enough to cook for a large family at 33 by 18 inches. The cooktop's 3 horseshoe-shaped burners provide remarkably equal heat distribution, In all the griddles I've tested, there have always been hot and cold patches. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.